So now we're going to take a closer look at wiring a 555 timer so that it will operate in monostable mode. Pin 2 is the trigger pin. It needs low input to activate. We have a pull-up resistor, 10K resistor right there, to prevent false signals from occurring. Then we have a switch that heads to ground. When you press the switch, it makes a direct connection to ground. Now, the other part of the circuitry is the timing part. We got a 10K resistor that goes to pin 7, the discharge pin. In this case, it could also just go directly to pin 6 because we have a little jumper that connects the two together. And then we have a 100 microfarad capacitor. So you can adjust the values depending on the timing you want. But that goes to the negative rail, the negative side of the capacitor, and the positive side to pin 6 right there. And I turn the power on, output's low until we press the button. It goes high for the period of time set by the timing, but then goes back to low and stays there